So let's talk about an issue. Let's add an issue. If there's a problem with anything, we can go to issues, add an issue, submit an issue, and just put it and then tag it. Or we can go the other way again and go to milestone, go to pre-installation and say there's going to be an issue. We're going to say associate an issue, order delayed. Order payment went through late, not on the delivery. Something like that, right? Drop any files and information assigned. It's going to be Sarah Inventory, who would actually be setting it up. Reminder. You can obviously set a reminder day 2 days before. Add followers. You might want to tell the install manager. You might want to say the technician. Due date. I think it's going to be due on the 26th. I want to put it, 26th. Severity. Slow stop or showstopper. My eyes are going. Say it's a major. It's part of the pre-installation checklist, and it's part of the release milestone is where it's from. The affected, it's going to be affect the installation phase. Module, I don't think we got any. Oh, it's already on there. I don't know why it showed. Class, information, enhancement. You can change these to whatever you need. Performance. Is it reproducible? This is more tech stuff, isn't it? And then flag internal. So we've now got an issue popped up that we need to deal with. And obviously when you view, you can see here now pre-installation, there's 2 tasks and 1 issue. But obviously if Sarah, was it Sarah in the inventory? She can go in and close it. All good. Equipment is here. Add a comment, and you can send it to everybody as well. And you can see now the issues are being tracked, the tasks are being tracked, larger milestones are being tracked, and we can see the status starting to build of this job, right? Where we've got days coming up and everything like that, okay?